Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, I'm going to give you 3 solid reasons why you should be using SendGrid for your email marketing campaigns. And here's reason number 1, reliability. SendGrid has a reputation for high deliverability, which means your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. This is huge when you're running campaigns that you need your customers to see, whether it's newsletters or transactional emails. SendGrid's infrastructure ensures your emails are delivered quickly and reliably. Reason number 2, scalability. Whether you're sending 100 emails or 10 million, SendGrid can scale with your business. Their pricing model is flexible, and you get to access advanced features like dedicated IP addresses and sub-user accounts when you need them. So as your email marketing efforts grow, you won't have to worry about hitting any roadblocks. And reason number 3, ease of use. SendGrid offers an intuitive platform with powerful features that are simple to use, from drag and drop email design to robust analytics and A/B testing. Everything is laid out in a way that makes email marketing easy, even if you're a beginner. So, there you have it. 3 reasons why SendGrid should be at the top of your list for email marketing. Now, if you're ready to get started, you should check out the link below for a free trial. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.